Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another Mixed Media Mayhem. Today we have a sketch. It's number 146 from Sketchabilities and it is designed by Karen Gerber. So there are 3 photos. We've got some strips that look like it runs along there. So I'm going to go ahead and pull in a couple border punches. There's what looks to be some, well, maybe, come on, some floral bits. So I did pull in my paper flowers, and then we're just gonna run. So that's what we have to work with today. I do not know who chose this sketch. I know nothing about any of that. But I did go through. I'm working with an older collection today. This is from 2022. Not that old, but still, I want to use this up. It's a Jen Hatfield. I used this to scrapbook, I think, when we went to the Grateful Dead concert in Chicago. And I honestly used everything I liked from it, and now I'm just left with like the meh to me. So we're going to try to use that up. I am going to be using Chroma Mist from British Monroe in Cobalt Blue and Pink. These are older when I was on the design team. Does anybody know why my bottle is doing that? Can you see that? Like, okay, look, here's the blue. See, I'm squeezing. Like, I am pushing. I got nothing. This, you see that? Like, what is that? Why is that bottle compromised? I'm so confused. So anyway, this is everything that I have left from the collection. I only have one of these left, and it's all in here, broke apart. I have got a very small bit of stickers left, and hopefully we can make a title out of those. I've got my photos here. These are my scrapping friends. You may recognize this face. That's Allie Edwards. And that's my bestie from the Northern Midwesty, Jamie. And Stephanie, and Julie, and Anne. And there's Julie back there. I don't talk about that lady. She was not a nice lady. And then you've got Allie and Julie again. And we are outside barbecuing, and this is while we were at Birch. I've got 3 pieces from the 6x8 to go ahead and mat. And then we're going to do our mixed media on that. I'm going to back the photos in this. This is where I got my color inspiration from. And so we are going to border it with that. So I'm going to pull out some more of these. And I guess, you know what, now that I need more in my life, we've got this that we can make borders out of. None of these. Oh, this one we can make a border out of. Outside of that, I'm gonna have to. So what's that? 1, 2, 3. Let's see. What else do we have that needs to be like? I don't know. I think I'll just do those 3. And if I have to do some repeatings, I will. So let me go get some other border punches and I'll be right back. Alright, so I did go ahead and get gesso on this. And then we're just gonna go ahead. And the gesso starts right at this layer. I totally just stuck my finger in it. We're going to let it run. It's okay if they mix, because obviously these 2 colors make blue, or make purple, right? Those are a little bit bigger on the drops than I actually wanted. Or the drips. Let's just come in here and soak some of this up. Right. Then see if we can I don't like that at all. So fun fact, gesso will allow us to soak the majority of that up. Sure, I'm going to have some mess going on. But I didn't like the way it was looking, you guys. And so if you don't like the way it's looking, just start over. Alright. So let's go ahead and hold it up like this. Actually need a paintbrush. I'm going to go ahead and grab a paintbrush. And we're just going to let this drip down. So I'm just going to sit here, excuse me, and just kind of come in and just let that flow all the way down. And so wherever I basically drop it is where it's going to drip. And then that's going to take a bit longer for them to dry, right? So I'm going to do the same thing with the blue. I'm going to kind of leave this like this, and I put this under there just to catch, just in case, but we're just going to splatter around, and then we're going to do the blue as well. Oops. But we're going to let this dry first, so we're going to do it in layers, because this is going to absorb in, but the rest of it is going to take a minute. So I'm going to do the blue, and then we'll come back and decorate the page. Alright, so you've seen how we did the mixed media. All I did was just take those strips that I cut, line them up there, put in one of my color cast designs titles. Yay! We've got a little thing going on here, a floral cluster on a floral cluster cascading down. I was going to try to figure out how to stick this with love. So honestly, I didn't get a lot of it used. Kind of. I just want to push it like right there, right with love. I've got this little rainbow. So it did take all night for this to dry, just so you guys know. Do that. Then here's our sketch. We are no longer going to be needing that because we are done. I'm going to add in just a few more of these little sparkles. Just kind of little sprinkling all over. Okay. And let's just be fun and finish up some of these things, right? Get them all used. Then we don't have to worry about, although these are things that you can use at any time, right? Like, I don't know where that one fell. So there's one randomly sitting in there. So that's gonna do it for today's layout. I have got blue everywhere. I fear that it is somewhere in here not dry, but it's fine. This actually turned out really well. So the mistake I made in the beginning, you can hardly even see it, and it kind of adds character to it. But I really enjoyed creating this layout and just playing with my mixed media, which is something that I have not done in so long. So stay tuned for so much more fun mixed media. And thank you guys so much. Don't forget to check out the playlist and all the other people that play along with Mixed Media Mayhem. And I will see you next week with another fun mixed media challenge. Bye.